If this girl was on Instagram, she'd have like a million followers easy. Because in the late 19th century, no one was being painted like this. Let me explain. This is one confident woman. She's holding a fruit in her hand, looking absolutely straight at you. Yeah, at you. She is looking at you. Look at her. So she's watching you watch her, basically. She's adjusting the dupatta of her sari. What do you think? Is she putting it back on, or is she taking it off? This painting is not about her in that sense. It's about you. It's about how you look at her. Maybe, just maybe, she's flirting with you. She knows she's young and pretty. She knows you're staring at her, and she likes it. But please remember, this is a painting by Raja Ravi Varma, and the artist has strategically designed this painting so that you fall in love with it. I would appreciate the artist more than the model itself, but that's me. In that sense, this is a painting of a young woman, not this exact young woman. If there was social media like today, then this would be your grandmother's 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 friend. Like. Who is this woman? And where did she come from? So, she's wearing green bangles and she's wearing 7. I just counted the highlights from the painting. And this solid gold bracelet is called a kada or a todi in Marathi. Anyways, it's an odd number. A young woman with an odd number of green bangles. It kind of means that she's married or about to be married. She's mostly from Maharashtra or the Konkan belt. That's West India for you. So, oh, I just noticed this thing in a ear. It's called a Bhik Bali. Yep, she's from Maharashtra. Have you noticed there are so many materials in this painting? From her skin to gold to textiles to glass to fruit to the background to hair to the oil in her hair to simple things like her makeup. It's not easy painting a painting with so many elements in them. This is a painting done by an Indian artist of an Indian woman. The gaze here is very local. And the style of painting is not strictly academic. It's very natural. This painting has soft shadows but strong highlights. That's a bit strange. This technique is used when you want to soften the skin but accentuate all the details on everything that makes her look pretty, rich and intelligent. But I'm a bit surprised. I wonder why Raja Ravi Varma didn't give her a highlight in her eyes. A slight twinkle. Just a little bit. Little bit. But nope. Why not? This is one of those very rare Raja Ravi Varma paintings where he just refuses to paint the background. He's just left it blank. It's been a while since we are staring at this painting. What do you love more? Raja Ravi Varma's talent, the painting itself, the girl, the gestures of innocence and eroticism, her confidence. I don't know. Does she challenge you? Is that what you like? Let me know. Lastly, what is that fruit? Any guesses? If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.